The Soundcore Trance. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. This is the Soundcore Trance Bluetooth speaker. I will go over specs, features, provide audio samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you're new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with a user guide and the power adapter for charging. The speaker features 18 hours of listening time, Bluetooth 5.0, 80 watts and 101 decibel sound, 5.25-inch front and 2-inch tweeters, passive rear radiators, button controls, bass boost, and an app with LED lighting, and it's Ipx7 Waterproof. The speaker has a metal grille on the front, and you can see the LED lights and the Soundcore branding. It has a flexible handle with a plastic body all around, and has the Soundcore branding on the side as well. It weighs about 7.25 pounds. The top panel has a rubberized finish to it, and you'll find the following controls: the power button, Bluetooth button, source input, next track, volume up, multifunction, volume down, previous track, light effect, and the bass up. On the back you have access to the DC input, a USB port for charging devices, and a 3.5mm aux port. The speaker comes in at about 13.5 inches by 6 by 6 inches. As mentioned, this has app integration, and you can download the Soundcore app. Once downloaded, you can see the battery status, toggle playback, and have access to some of the party features, along with toggling the LED effects. Here is the light DJ feature.
Ready, get ready.
Ladies and gentlemen, ladies and gentlemen.
DJ,
Get ready.
It also has party games, which has Truth or Dare, Spin the Bottle, and categories. And now for some audio samples.
It's so much harder now to reach you. Your heart is floating in the sky. We known each other for so long. We know our love like an old song. Sing along one more time. It's so much harder now to please you.
I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip, this, wet, tell her run it up, no sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch, tell her run it up, I wake up, flex, thumb down now, check, no drip, this, wet, tell her run it up, no sleep, no rest, might crash, might wreck, but first I stretch.
Here are my thoughts on the speaker. Impressive sounds all around, and it gets very loud. The bass is definitely not lacking at all. It comes in heavy, deep, and punchy. You also have the option to boost it if it's not enough. Mids and highs come in clear. I only wish it was dialed up just a bit, and this does fall on a warmer sound signature. Battery life is great, coming in at 18 hours, and I like the Ipx7 Waterproof rating, so this makes it a versatile speaker. The LED lights make it fun along with the games and DJ features. This definitely can fill an indoor or outdoor space with no problems, and it can make it an enjoyable setting. So that is my review of the Soundcore Trance Bluetooth speaker. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care, everyone.